If you're still carrying your Mavic Mini around in its box, then it's definitely time for you to buy a bag. Yeah, what's up? Well, are you really reviewing a bag? Well, yeah, everybody who has a drone needs a bag to carry it around in. What's the problem? Well, this is DroningON. We don't do bag reviews. Well, news is a bit slow in the drone market at the moment, okay? So let's get on with it, all right? Bye. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and despite what other Ash says, we do occasionally do accessory reviews, and it's not just to pad out videos on the channel, but we were kindly sent this Mavic Mini bag from a company called Cafago, and so of course we're going to review it with a neutral, unbiased review, so enjoy. I have, as I said earlier, been carrying around my Mavic Mini in its box ever since I got it, and so it is time for me to migrate it into an actual bag. So what we're going to do is open up this one and have a look at it. Now, there are loads of drone bags on the market. This one is actually a rebranded bag. It's by Start RC, who are a big company. Actually, they produce a lot of accessories and various things. It's waterproof. It's very, very lightweight. Now, when I say waterproof, I don't mean you can drop it in water and it's literally not going to absorb any inside, but it is splash proof. So if it rains, at least the water's not easily going to penetrate through this PU material. It's got double zips on the outside, and so it's really easy to get into. It's also got a carry handle on top, which is a nice proper carry handle, not just a flimsy bit of fabric, so that's nice to see. And inside, we've got the actual moldings, which are ready cut out as well. And actually, you don't have just a load of gaps, which is quite nice, because many bags like this actually arrive with just a ton of holes, nothing to put in them. So I like the fact that actually you only pull out these cutouts if you have that item, because it means that inherently the bag is going to protect your drone a little bit more if it's more foam than gaps. In the top lid, there's also a zip, so there you can store any of your spare props or perhaps SD cards and other various bits of kit. Always nice to have. I generally tend to put actually my spare prop blades in these kind of sections, although you must be careful if you do store props in bits like that, because when you close the bag and it's distorting against the foam, you don't want to cripple your props and end up with them being bent. So let's put our Mavic Mini in here. I've got mine here. So the first thing I'm obviously going to do is pull out the big foam block for the Mavic Mini, and then that should slot in there quite neatly like that. Now, it's not hard to get it in there. It's also not putting any stress on the drone or the props either. Some of these bags I've noticed have very firm foam. The challenge with that, of course, is that it actually is hard to put the drone in and take it out, and also it is too tight, too tightly cut. This is perfectly cut out, just enough not for the drone to be able to move, and obviously for it to be protected nicely. So that's good. Then there's one for the transmitter. I'll pull that out as well and stick the transmitter in. Again, nice and easy to get it in there. No fuss, very, very simple. Finally, it has got a few additional cutouts, some for extra batteries. I actually only have one battery for my Mavic Mini at the moment, and some others for various other accessories. But yeah, overall, loads of space. It's not the most compact Mavic Mini bag out there on the market, but that's because it's waterproof, it's really well made, it's got a decent carry handle, and it's got zips that actually work. Just a warning, I've bought cheap drone bags before, and you find that the tread of the zip is not premium, it's not quality, and over time the zips either fall off or you can't easily zip and unzip them, whereas this one is very free-flowing and easy. With everything inside there neatly now, there is only one downside of this bag that I can see, which is that the top has no foam padding on it at all. I like to see a bag like this which has foam padding on the top and the bottom, so that when you close the top you've got nice protection here. It does have foam padding underneath the Mavic and underneath the controller and the other pieces, but there's no foam padding here. Now that would be easily solved, however. You could easily stick a bit of foam in behind this zip cover here, and that then achieves the goal. On the other hand, this top is hard, and there is also a nice distance when you shut the bag between actually the drone and the lid. So even if this top is depressed, it's not necessarily going to hit the drone or anything else inside. So with that done, I can now throw away my original box, at least until I sell my Mavic Mini, which is never going to happen because I love it. And I've got everything now enclosed in a lovely little carry box, which I'm really pleased with. So if you do want to buy a box for your Mavic Mini, links are in the video description to this one and some other carry cases as well, in case you want to have a look at other options. So there's our bag review from Cafago Mavic Mini carrying case. Hope you enjoyed that bag review. And unlike other Ash said, these reviews are useful because in our Mavic Mini videos, time after time again, I see comments asking about which bag do we recommend. Well, we've been sent this one. We've not reviewed anything else, but we like this one and so we'll stick with it for now. Anyway, comment below with your thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if your head is full of padding. And of course, click that subscribe button. Thanks very much for watching.